this video, you will be learning how you can connect the same WhatsApp number on two different devices. I got you. Let's jump right in. Go to the WhatsApp phone with the primary device. Click on the three dotted line you will see up right, and you'll see link a device. Click on link a device. Then you pick up your second device. Click on link as companion device, and it's going to bring a QR code. You scan it, and before you know it, it's going to link the device and load or chat. This was connected to my business line so I can be able to monitor what my rep is doing. You might have seen TikTok ad 25, TikTok ad. That's because we sell well on TikTok. If you like to learn how to sell on TikTok daily, I have a TikTok course that you should put in that consists of everything you need to know about selling on TikTok, the guidelines, kind of content to post, how to prepare your page, how to make payments, how to solve payment issues, community guidelines that would make them reject your advert. The class is very detailed. Send me a DM on my personal Instagram account, Deborah Roslyn, to get started. Either you're a business owner or a creator, TikTok advert that converts would be highly beneficial to your brand.
I have a lot of proofs of real people buying from TikTok. Can you see this person sells on TikTok? Let me scroll up and you see, it was my assistant that attended to the person. Sells on TikTok, will send samples, made payments. In my next video, you would learn how to run TikTok adverts that convert.
Click here, watch and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one.